Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everybody, I'm Salsa Afita. I'm majoring in psychology. This time, I want to be share the experience of a 30 kilogram weight loss diet in 6 months without exercise and without diet drugs. Who needs a diet? The answer is the everyone, whether is overweight, ideal, or underweight, because diet is healthy lifestyle that must be done by everyone. Diet doesn't mean not eating, but keep your diet. I want to share this experience. The goal is to share how my diet is really able to lose 30 kilogram weight in 6 months. Many are surprised because this diet process without exercise and without diet drugs. Even though I have told several people directly. Starting from high school, where I felt that my body was getting bigger. The clothes didn't fit. The size of the pants reaches 36 and the clothes immediately moved to triple XL size. If I wear jeans, there is no model. The scale touched the numbers 90 kilogram weight. Since then, I've been on all kinds of diets but nothing works. Why don't you just exercise? The first is because I was in high school didn't have time. Assessment, tutoring, and when I had free eye time, as I usually used to eat to sleep. Until one day, I watched a television program on Trans 7 entitled Hitam Putih, where Deddy Corbuzier was interviewed one of the girls who managed to get 20 kilogram down on the show. Without thinking, I immediately downloaded the ebook, which is 100 pages more likely. So from there I went to strike in, look out for the essence of what and how to diet. More or less, the core and the method is like the following, which is so happy. 1. No big face. This means we can at least 4 hours after waking up in the morning. Second, free time to eat 8 hours fasting, 16 hours. 3. Free time to 6 fasting, 18 hours. 4. Free time to eat 4 hours fasting, 20 hours. 5. Free time to eat 1 hours fasting, 23 hours. Now the point fasting and the technique are like number 2 until 5. First, of course, what I did before started was intention and pride. Remember the saying, the rest should betray the process and started something with prayer. Out of intention, I tried this diet with a 1-month trial. In the ebook, it's explained that the technique must be carried on its sequence starting from number 2 to number 4 and number 5 is only optional. Why sequential? Adapt because the ebook explains the first technique who adapt. Adapting to a new diet, where per number is done for 1 until 2 weeks, and when we were quite used to it, then we move to the number under it or reduce the free time to eat. And must remember, free time to eat we set ourselves and must be consistent. Immediately after understanding the technique number 2, which is 8 hours of eating and 16 hours of fasting, because I was still in school, so I caused the time to eat after school. So the fasting time was used at school. I caused 2 p.m. to 11 p.m., but usually at 9 o'clock I stopped eating. I did this technique for 1 week. Why? Because it seems less kicking and feels like we're not a diet. And when the 2 and the week of the diet, I immediately took technique number 4 through. Technique number 3, I take the time from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. meal time because usually next is time again hungry. So come home from school, sleep, then wake up and eat. It's like a sleep, fasting repeat. And the result, like wanting to cry, the number of the needle of the skull drops to 18.6 kg from 90 kg. It feels very easy and really good. Okay, for the first month, it seems like there are no trials. Everything is going straight exciting. Because it's too happy that UC didn't recall the phrase 4 kg weight. So I changed the optional time to most time, which means you can only eat once a day at some time. The 2 and the months of diet, I only eat 1 meal per day at 7 p.m. and again the next day at 7 p.m. every day. The trials become the way of entering the pace of week of this technique. This trial comes without and stop at 7 dining, and when the meal was eating out instantly, the home of the home carried the pizza, broke martabak, broke everything. The code almost be rejected. Everyone in the house was confused. Thought I was again a dedic of the hunger strike. Thought again trying to improve to aesthetic in raising. Because indeed from the beginning of the intention all these meals I reject. Not only that, another trial the experience was a break at school, the martabak and friends trial had not finished last night. The next trial was from Riches. Going to the canteen, all lots of food, want to be quit and class. Everyone brought their food to class. Actually, I wasn't hungry at all. I just used to eat lunch. So I wanted to eat too, but still, I refused and drank lots of water. This figure continued to fall until reaches 60 kg in the 6 months of doing this technique. Another cool thing is that my clothes are in M size because they look too fit. So now all my clothes are L size from before triple XL. Jeans used to be size 36, now size 30. Conclusion. No result that betray the process, and there is not single diet theory that guarantees users getting maximum results. Because it all depends on understanding and hard work as well as the choiceness of the preparator and affecting the perpetrator's genetics. Finally, thank you for watching my video. Apologies for any shortcomings and wrong words. Hopefully, whatever diet or your doings as successful as it shall be. Terima kasih.